In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use the Wix File Share app within the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Whether you're sharing files for a project or offering downloadable content to your website visitors, this step-by-step guide will ensure you do it smoothly and effectively. To begin, make sure you have the Wix Editor or Wix Studio open in your Google Chrome browser. Using Chrome is important here because it supports all the features you'll need for this task, ensuring a seamless experience. Once you're set up, our first goal is to navigate to the Wix app market. To do this, look for an apps option within Wix Editor or the interface that you're using. You'll typically find it in the menu along the left side of your screen. Click on that and it will open up the app market, a space filled with various applications that can enhance your site's functionality. Today, we're particularly interested in the Wix File Share app. Use the search bar in the app market to locate this app. When you've found it, click on it and select Add to Site. The installation is quick. The app should integrate automatically into your website, and you'll notice it appearing on your editor's screen, ready to be used. Now that the app has been installed, it's time to dive into uploading your files. This feature allows you to share materials directly on your site. Look for the file management area within the app where you can upload files. You'll often see options like upload files or add new files. Simply click on these options and you will be prompted to choose the files from your computer that you'd like to upload. Alongside uploading, take advantage of the folder organization feature. You can create folders and move files around, making it easier not only for you to manage, but for your users to navigate. Setting sharing permissions is an important part of this process. You want to ensure that only the right audience has access to your files. In the settings of each folder or file, you will find options to customize permissions. This might include setting files as public, requiring a password, or limiting them to certain registered users. Choose what works best for your needs. Once your files are organized and permissions are set, it's time to share them on your website. To do this, generate embed links or use share buttons provided by the app. Place these links on appropriate pages of your site, allowing visitors easy access. You can think about adding them to resource pages, blog posts, or even a dedicated file sharing section. The final step is crucial: saving and publishing your changes. Be sure to hit the Save button, and when you're ready for the world to see your work, click Publish. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on setting up the Wix File Share app on your website. Enjoy sharing your files with ease.